think astronomers have seen it all, but every now and then, space throws them a real curveball. That's exactly what happened when NASA pointed the Hubble telescope at a distant galaxy and found a bizarre glow where it shouldn't be. This isn't just some faint flicker. It's a radiant light coming from a galaxy called R5519. What's so weird about it? The light falls into a category astronomers call forbidden, meaning it's produced under conditions that are incredibly rare. Normally, you'd never see this in stars or dense regions of space because atoms are just too crowded. But in the thin gas of this galaxy's strange ring, it's happening, and it's way brighter than it should be. Scientists are baffled. The glow suggests something is happening that we don't understand yet. It could be shockwaves from a massive galactic collision, or maybe something entirely new. Either way, this impossible glow is forcing us to rethink the very rules of the cosmos. Thanks for watching.